So, welcome back, guys. Today's PYQs, as we discussed yesterday, is statistics. So, these questions that we'll be doing today are from JEE Mains 2023 session. Okay, so let's start with statistics. What do we have here? Okay, so first question is here. Let's go. I'm giving you time to read. Let the six numbers be in AP. If the mean of these six numbers is 19 by 2 and their variance is sigma square, then 8 sigma square is. Okay, so these numbers are in AP. So let's say A1 is A, A2 will be A plus D, A3 will be A plus 2D, and A4 will be A plus 3D, A5 will be A plus 4D. No need to write everything. I'm just writing because I need to explain it. A plus 5D. It is given that A1 plus A3 is 10. That means A plus A plus 2D. That means 2A plus 2D is 10. That means A plus D is 5. Let's mark it equation number 1. If the mean of these six numbers is 19 by 2. So mean is summation xi upon n is given as 19 by 2. How many observations do we have, guys? 6. Summation xi. If we add all this, we'll get 6a plus 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15d upon what is n? 6 is equals to 19 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 threes are. Right? We can cancel out 3 as well. 3 twos are 6, 3 fives are 15. So we got 2a plus 5d is equals to 19. Equation number 2. If we solve these both, that means 2a plus 2d is equals to 10 from here. Subtract them. So we'll get 3d is equals to 9. So d will be equals to 3. So that means a is equals to 2. Correct? So we got all the numbers. The variance is sigma square. So if A is 2, D is 3, then let me write the numbers here. The numbers are 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, and 17. Correct now? Am I right? Yes. The variance is sigma square. What is variance? Variance is summation xi square upon n minus x bar ka square. So summation xi square. What is summation xi square? It will be all the square of these numbers. So that means 4 plus 25 plus 64 plus, okay. What will be the answer of summation xi square? 699. 699 upon n is 6 minus, what is x bar, guys? 19 by 2, right? So 19 by 2, the whole square. 19 square is 361 by 4. Correct? Can we divide it? No. Yes, we can divide this by 3. 3 twos are 3, 2, 33. So if we take LCM of 4, we'll get 466 minus 361, which is 105 by 4 is sigma square. So 8 sigma square will be equals to 210. This is my answer. So option number 2. Correct? Let's see the next question. Yeah, here is it. The mean and variance of the marks obtained by the students in a test are 10 and 4 respectively. Okay. So let's say the mean is given as x bar is 10, sigma square is 4. Later, so the marks of one of the students increased from 8 to 12. If the new mean and variance is this, then the new variance is equal. So what is x bar? Summation xi square upon n is 10. So it is given that, sorry, not bar, summation xi. Yeah. What is it given? Marks of one of the students increased from 8 to 12. So that means summation xi, first it was 8, then it became 12 upon n is 10. So from here we get summation xi is equals to 10 into n, right? And if the new mean is 10.2, correct? So if we cross multiply this, we'll get summation xi plus 4 is equals to 10.2 into n. What is summation xi? It is 10n. So let us substitute it here. So 10n plus 4 is equals to 10.2n. So I get 4 is equals to 0.2n. So n is equal to 4 by 0.2, which is 20. Correct? Now, the variance is summation xi square upon n minus x bar the whole square was 4 earlier. What is x bar earlier? 10. So this will be summation xi square upon n 100. This is equals to 104. So we get summation xi square equals to 104 into n. Now the new variance will be summation xi square minus 8 square plus 12 square upon n is question mark. So we have to find this, correct? So summation xi square is 104 into n, which is 20 minus 64 plus 144 by 20. So that means 104 into 20 plus 0, 14 minus 6, 8, 80 upon 20. We can cancel out the zeros. We can cancel out the 2's as well. So we got did we made a mistake? I think we did some calculation error, guys. This is the variance, right? So this we got it as 104 plus 4, 108. Now to get the answer, we have to subtract 108 from mean, which is 10.2 ka whole square, which is 108 minus. What is 10 ka square is 100. 10.2 ka whole square is 104.04. Right? So what is 108 minus 104.04? It is 3.96. Correct? So my correct option is option number 3. Got it, guys? Let's move on to the next. Yeah. Let us read the question first. Let X and Y be two sets of observations. It's a nice question, I think. Because whenever the questions have two observations, they are generally very good questions. If X bar and Y bar are the respective means, and sigma square is the variance of all the observations in X union Y, that means in both. Sigma square is the combined variance. Okay. Then we have to find x bar, y bar, and sigma square. So, in our case, let us try to get x bar first. So, x bar is very simple, guys. 11 plus 12 plus 13 up to 41 upon total number of terms are 40, right? 11 to 41. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21 तक तो 10 टर्म्स आएंगे. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So every term will be 10. Yeah. Forty है ना? Sorry. 31 elements. 30, 11 to 40 तक 30 and 41 so 31. So what is upper? Upper is AP. AP is n by 2 into first term plus last term upon 31. 31 will get cancelled. 41, 52 by 2, which is 26. Simply we got x bar, y bar will be 61 plus 62 and so on up to 91. So again, these are 31 terms. So it will be 31 by 2 into 61 plus 91 upon 31. This got cancelled. 152 by 2. 76, I think. Am I correct? Yes. Okay. So now we have to find the variance of x union y. That means we need combined variance. Right, guys? We need combined variance. How to get combined variance? Combined variance we can get, but first we have to get combined mean. So let's say mu is the combined mean, which is x bar into 31. So 26 into 31 plus y bar into 31 upon total number of elements, that is 62. Both are 31 elements. So we can cancel out 31 and finally we'll get 31 twos are 26 plus 76, 2, 1 carry, 102 by 2, which is 51. So we got the combined mean. Now, the combined variance is summation xi minus x bar, the whole square, plus summation yi minus y bar, the whole square, upon total number of elements, which is 62. Correct? Yeah. Now if you see xi minus x bar summation का square will be equals to yi minus y bar summation का square. Why? Because both of them have 31 elements. Both of them are AP with common difference 1. So if we subtract both of them from their mean, we'll get the same numbers. Please check. This is 26. So if I subtract 26 minus 11, I'll get 15. 76 minus 61, I'll get 15. Minus 12, I'll get 14. Minus 62, I'll get 14. Check, guys. That means we just have to find this numbers. I equals to 1 to 31. Anyone you can find. So that comes to 1 square did I made some error? Oh, guys, sorry. This should be mu, right? Combined mean it is. So we can write it as mu. Sorry, guys. Yeah. So to subtract it from 51. So this will be mu. Please check. 51 minus 11. 40. 51 minus 91. 40. This is 39. This is 39. 40. 51 minus 11. 40. Yes. 90 minus 51. 39. Correct. Right? So it will be 1 square plus 2 square plus up to 40 square. How many numbers are there? There are total 40 numbers. Correct? There are total 40 numbers. 10 square. Sorry. 10 square, 11 square. So we can write it as 1 square plus 2 square up to 40 square minus 1 square plus 2 square up to 10 square. This is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Am I correct? Minus n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Now, if we calculate this, it comes to 21855. 21855. This is the value of them and them. So here we have to add both. So sigma square will be equals to 21855 plus 21855 upon 62. So that means this comes to 705. This comes to 705. So my final answer is 705 is my answer. Got it, guys? Let's move to the next. Yeah. The mean and variance of 7 observations are 8 and 16 respectively. So the mean is summation xi upon 7 is equals to 56. Variance is summation xi squared upon n minus x bar. So summation xi squared will be 16 plus 64 into 7. So 8 sevens are 560. Correct? Summation xi squared is 560. So we got these two equations. Keep in mind, guys. one observation 14 is omitted, then A and B becomes the mean. Now, if the observation 14 is omitted, that means summation xi में क्या क्या आ जाएगा? Summation xi was x1 plus x2 up to x7 because there were 7 observations. One of the observation, which is 14, is omitted. So we'll get x1 plus x2 plus x6 is equals to 52 minus 14, which is 42. Then the mean will be this upon 6, 42 upon 6, so 7. Now this is the value of A they have given. Similarly, in summation xi square, we had 7 observations. x1 square plus x2 square plus x7 square, which 560. Now this is 14 square, it's omitted. So we'll get x1 square plus x2 square plus x6 square is equals to 560 minus 14 square, which is 256. Right? Which comes down to 364. Sorry, 14 square is 196. 16 square is 2. Yes. So the new variance will be x1 square plus x2 square plus x6 square upon 6 minus 7 का square is given as B. This is 364 upon 6 minus 49 is equals to B. I think B is in point, right? Can cancel out 2 if we want. 3, 2 ones are 2, 8, 2. It is 182 minus 147 by 3 is B. So we got B as 35 by 3. So A 7 plus 3B minus 5 is equal to 37 is my answer. Correct? It's again an integer type question. So let's move on to the next. Please read the question, guys. Let S be the set of all values of AI for which the mean deviation about the mean of 100 consecutive positive integers is 25. These are 100 consecutive positive integers. So that means A1 is suppose A. A2 will be A plus 1. A3 will be A plus 2. Consecutive integers, right? So A100 will be A plus 99. Mean deviation about mean. So first we have to find mean. What is mean? Summation AI bar AI upon let's say this is A bar, right? Notation will be correct. Total observations 100. What is summation AI? 100A plus 1 plus 2 plus dot 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 99 upon 100. So 100A plus n by 2, 99 by 2 into first term plus last term upon 100. We can cancel out this hundreds. So we got A plus 99 by 2 is a mean. What will be the mean deviation? So AI minus A bar का sum. पहले एक एक निकालते हैं. AI minus A bar. So A1 minus A bar. Or it is better if we calculate A bar minus AI because we get positive values. So A bar minus A1 is 99 by 2. A bar minus A2 is 97 by 2. Similarly, A bar minus A100 is A bar minus A100. I think we did some error, guys. A bar will again be okay. Okay, let me generalize it properly. Then you'll able to understand. So A bar minus A49. So what is A49? Let me write it here. A49 will be equals to A plus 48 and A50 will be equals to A plus 49. So A bar minus A49. 99 by 2 minus 96, 3 byte. A bar minus A50 will be 1 byte. And now after this, if we calculate A bar minus A51 will be minus 1 byte, but we need more. That will be 1 byte. A bar minus A52 will be 3 byte. Similarly, A bar minus A100 will be 99 by 2 again. This is the same thing. That means summation A bar minus AI. We want to find this, the mean deviation upon 100, right? The mean deviation about mean. So this will be 2 times half plus 3 by 2 up to 99 by 2 upon 100. We can cancel out these 2's. So we'll get 1 plus 3 plus 99 upon 100. Correct? So that means Yeah, this is AP. So n by 2. This is odd number, sir. Fifty numbers are there. So 50 by 2 into 1 plus 99 by 100. So we got this. We got 25. Right? So S is a set of natural number. Right, guys? Because S has only one element. Is 25. Then S is a set of all natural numbers. Because we got 25. Correct? Let's see the next one. Yeah. Let the mean and standard deviation of 100 students be respectively 40 and alpha. So this is class A. This is class B. So class A का mean is 40. Class A का standard deviation is alpha. And class A के number of students is 100. Class B. Mean, standard deviation, number of students. So mean and standard deviation of class B of n students be respectively 55 and 30 minus alpha. So we wrote the given data. If the mean and variance marks are the combined, so the combined mean is given as 50. The combined variance is given as 350. Sum of variances. That means we have to find sigma square A plus sigma square B. Sum of variances means sigma square A plus sigma square B is equals to question mark. We have to find this. Correct? So, what will be alpha equals to? It is sigma A. Sigma A will be equals to summation of all the students of class A upon 100 minus A bar का whole square. Correct? This is the combined A plus B. So let's try the given information. Yeah. The combined mean is given by 40 into 100 plus 55 into n upon 100 plus n, which is given as 50. So we'll get n from this. So 4000 plus 55n is equals to 5000 plus n. So 54n is equals to 1000. Oh, sorry. Here will be 50n cross multiplied, right? 5000 plus 50n. So 5n will be 1000. So n will be 200. Right? So n will be 200. Now we can find sigma a square is equals to summation ai square upon 100 minus 40 ka square, which is given as alpha. So summation ai square is alpha plus 1600 into 100. Similarly, summation bi square will be equals to 30 minus alpha plus 55 square, right? What is 30 minus alpha? Alpha square, sorry. 30 minus alpha, the whole square, plus 55 square into 200. Am I correct, guys? Yes. Now, the combined variance will be equals to sigma a square plus sigma b square upon 300 minus the combined mean ka square. Am I correct, guys? Just a second here. It will be, sorry, summation a square plus summation bi ka square, right? Okay. So now we have summation ai ka square. Here is it. We have summation bi ka square. So summation ai square plus summation bi square. So alpha square plus 1600 into 100. Alpha square plus 1600 into 100 plus 30 minus alpha the whole square plus 55 square. 30 minus alpha the whole square plus. What is 55 square, guys? It is 3025 into 200 upon 300 is the value of this, right? So we can cancel out this, and sigma square is given as 350. So this minus x bar 50 square is given as 350. So 350 plus 2500 into 3 is equals to alpha square plus 1600 plus 30 minus alpha the whole square plus 3025. So this value is 3 into 3, so 2850 is equals to alpha square plus 900 a square minus 2ab plus alpha square plus 5. Sorry guys. 5, 2, 6, 4. So we'll get 2 alpha square minus 60 alpha plus 900 is equals to this minus this. Oh, I think we made an error, right? Here it should be 2 because 2 is left. So 2 is here. So we'll get 0, 15, 25, 8 minus 4625 is equals to 3 alpha square minus 120 alpha plus 1800. So finally we'll get alpha square minus 40 alpha. After that plus 300 equals to 0. So what are the factors, guys? 300. So 30 tens are simple. So alpha minus 30 into alpha minus 10 is equals to 0. So we got alpha is equals to 10 or 30. So that means sigma A is alpha. Sigma A is 30. Sigma B is 30 minus 30. So we cannot take 30. So sigma A will be 10. Sigma B will be 30 minus 10, which is 20. So sigma sum of variances. Sigma A square plus sigma B square, which is 100 plus 400, which is 500. This is my answer. Option number 1. I hope it is clear. Let's move to the next sum. Yeah. Please read the question, guys. Let B in AP. So x1 is 9. x2 will be 9 plus D, and so on. x7 will be 9 plus 6D. Now we know that this AP will be same as 0, D, 2D, 6D for ease of calculation, guys. Right? So mean is x bar. So the mean of this, what is the mean of this? X bar is 9 को 6 times add करो. 9 को 7 times add करो. So 63 plus 21D by 7. And what is this? इसका mean क्या होगा guys? X new bar का mean 21D by 7, which is 3D. Now, as we all know, in standard deviation or variance, there is no change in the, you can say, by adding or subtracting a numbers. That means standard deviation of this will be equal to standard deviation of this. It is better to calculate for this, right? Because ease of calculations. So the standard deviation is 14. That means variance is 16. So that means x1 square plus up to x7 square upon 7 minus 9d square. Correct? So what is x1? Here 0 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 6 square into d square by 7 minus 9d square. So this is square. Sum of squares is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 6. 7 and 7 will get cancelled minus 9d square. Did I make mistake? 13d square minus 9d square. 4d square. So d square is 4 implies d is plus or minus 2. Correct? Oh, so the new mean, this mean, will be equals to x bar, original mean, will be equals to 63, 9 plus 3d, which is equals to 9 plus 6, which is equals to 15. What is x6, guys? x6 was 9 plus 5d. Okay. 9 plus 5d. So 9 plus 10 is equals to 90. So x bar plus x6 is 15 plus 19, which is 34. So our option is option number 2. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you all for joining such a wonderful session of statistics. We'll meet next week. Okay. Till then, bye bye, guys. Everyone, take care. Thank you.